Get this, the average 22-year-old male today has lower testosterone levels than the average 70-year-old man had in the 1980s. How is that even possible? I mean, we know the answer. It's the ridiculous, impossible to count number of endocrine disruptors in literally everything. Soap, deodorant, plastic products, cleaning supplies, everything. And yet, when you correlate this data to the rapidly declining fertility rates in the Western world, people call you a conspiracy theorist.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why I roll with Core Medical. I get my numbers checked regularly, and I get prescribed anything that I need. So far, I don't need testosterone, but many of you do need testosterone in order to help yourselves, to help you run optimally, in order to help you execute optimally, help with focus, confidence, strength, vitality, all of those things. So I just wanted to send a quick message because a lot of you don't realize the amount of potency you are missing within your body. And when your body doesn't work right, you don't work right, and everything winning is harder to do. Get the peptides you need, get the vitamins you need to optimize your body with Core Medical. Let's go. Boom.